So all these times we've seen this common challenge circle around the industry corporates, where management face challenge of communication breakdown with the engineers, lack of the tools for the marketing applications, simulation tools to validate the design. So rest assured, all these issues will be resolved by using 3D Experience collaborates with SOLIDWORKS.
All your challenge that you face right now can be solved by using 3D Experience platform. 3D Experience platform is an on-cloud solution where it provides all the organization with holistic real-time vision on their business, activity, and ecosystem. These include connect people, idea, data, and solution in a single collaborative and interactive environment available at all times. You can imagine, design, do simulation, and deliver different customer experience with this platform. This is a portfolio that can scale with your comprehensive and collaborative solution that meet your growing business need. Whether it's a design engineering, simulation, manufacturing and production, sale and marketing, or governance and management, it helps you to unite your company to achieve the impossible. With the combination of 3D Experience platform and SOLIDWORKS portfolio, we have the best design to manufacturing industry workflow that have been proven able to drive the organization to a better and promising direction. As you can see, at every stage of this design process, we have the right tools for the right guys, which can help to speed up the whole process to the market.